Beginning of the year, we were contacted by Blaine's Farm and Fleet for a new building they were looking to move into in Elgin, Illinois. The building was an old Lowe's and it's been sitting vacant for about 6 years. They had a major issue with the ceiling, which completely and utterly fell off of the metal decking all over the floor. The actual painting of the building ceiling was the largest part of the project. That was the biggest failure of the building, why it sat vacant. So I met Mike from Blaine's Farm and Fleet. I went in there and was kind of taken back for a second because there was total coverage of the floor from paint chips and hanging from the girders and just a gigantic mess. So we got set up and started producing the project. We had 4 scissor lifts, we had 4 men with high-powered air nozzles and 4 diesel air compressors blasting off all of the loose paint. Any areas that we could not get with the compressed air, we hand grind it off. Once we got everything knocked down and clean, we proceeded to go through the ceiling, which was the floor square footage of the building is 140,000 square feet. We covered every single sprinkler head, every light, every electronic piece of equipment that they were keeping in-house. Once everything was completely covered, we began the process of painting. So we had 4 men continuously spraying with a ground crew, keeping everything clean as possible and keeping the buckets filled. We also brought in a ventilation system so that the building was safe during the production. I think the end of the project, actually I know the end of the project for both companies was a mutual respect and a long-term relationship. And it was just great to see a new business in a previously dead place come to life again, and you were part of it. And so we just want to basically thank Blaine's for the opportunity to work for them and for what they did for our community.